Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. To enable or disable HD audio, we should enter into developer options. So, if you don't know how to enable developer options for your phone, we have the video at the hardware set info channel just for your device. After you enable HD audio, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down, click at the system, and in the system we have developer options. So now you can scroll down and you need to find HD audio. Also you can use the search and you can write HD right here, and here it is. We have HD audio what's located in the developer options. That's what we need. Click on it. To enable HD audio you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Once you enable HD audio, you can now firstly check your Bluetooth audio codecs, but you can also switch between them. To disable HD audio, you need to tap also one time at the slider if the slider have a colorful background, and once you disable HD audio, you will now use SBC Bluetooth audio codec. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!